Quizizz is an online tool that allows your teachers to find out where they need to support you. Initially, you will need to sign up and create your own account using the purple sign up link. Make sure that you sign up with your school email address, and when you've done that, you will receive an email from your teacher which contains a link for you to click on. By clicking on this link, you will join their class, and that means that they can assign the relevant quizzes for you to complete. When you sign into your Quizizz account, you will be able to see all of the quizzes that your teachers have assigned you. To complete one, click onto it, start the game, and answer the questions. You will not be told as you go through the quiz whether your answers are correct or incorrect. You will be able to see this information at the end. When you have finished, you will see a screen that looks like this. It shows you your percentage accuracy, and when you scroll down, you will be able to see the questions that you've got wrong. If you click onto them, it shows you what you put and what the correct answer is, and the ones that you've got correct. If you feel like you need to do a bit more studying, then you can study the flashcards. To view your results from all quizzes that you've completed, go to Activity at the top, go to Completed, and it will appear there once the deadline has passed. If the deadline has not yet passed, then all of your results will be in running games. As you complete more of these quizzes, you will have more in your completed games as time goes on.